Stop what you're doing. Chery has just fired a massive shot across the bow of the SUV world. The first production units of the iCAR V27 have officially rolled off the assembly line at the Wuhu plant in China. Is it a Land Rover Defender? Is it a G-Wagon? No, it's Chery's newest flagship beast. But here is the real shocker. Unlike its smaller brothers, this isn't just a city EV. It packs a massive 1,200-kilometer range thanks to a clever range extender system. Today, we're breaking down why this rugged box might be the most practical off-roader of 2026. First, let's talk about that presence. The iCAR V27 is a tank. It measures over 5 meters long and nearly 2 meters wide. The look: you've got those iconic round retro LED headlights, flared wheel arches, and a flat roof design that screams hardcore off-roader. The tailgate, at the back, you get a side-opening door and 2 choices: a sleek backpack storage box or a full-size spare tire. Ground clearance: with 220 millimeters of ground clearance, this isn't just for looks. It's actually ready for the dirt. Now, let's look at the heart of the beast. The V27 is the first in the iCAR family to use EREV technology, extended range electric vehicle. The powertrain: it uses a 1.5-liter turbo engine as a generator. This engine doesn't drive the wheels. It just keeps the batteries topped up. The dual-motor AWD version delivers a staggering 455 horsepower, 335 kilowatts. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.5 seconds. No range anxiety. You get about 210 kilometers of pure electric range, but with a full tank of gas, the total range exceeds 1,200 kilometers. That's London to Rome on a single charge. Inside, Chery is trying to kill the myth that rugged SUVs can't be smart. Screens: the cockpit is dominated by a 15.4-inch 2.5K display powered by the Snapdragon 8295 chip. It's fast, smooth, and feels like a high-end tablet. Comfort: you've got a 23-speaker premium sound system, active noise cancellation, and even a built-in refrigerator to keep your drinks cold on the trail. Self-driving: thanks to DJI and Horizon Robotics, it features L2++ smart driving, meaning it can practically drive itself on highways and park itself in the tightest spots. So, when can you get one? The iCAR V27 is officially launching in the first quarter of 2026. The price: while official pricing is still under wraps, experts estimate it will land between $28,000 and $35,000 in China. This is a global model. The first batch is already destined for the Middle East, specifically the UAE and Saudi Arabia, where it will be known as the iCAR V27. Expect to see this hitting international roads very soon. So, what do you think? Would you take this 455 horsepower electric Defender over a Tesla Model Y or a Toyota Land Cruiser? Does that 1,200 kilometers range win you over? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button and subscribe for all the latest from the world of new energy vehicles. See you in the next one.